Hello, and welcome to Smart Tech, where we showcase the latest advancements in modern agricultural machinery. The Silo Grip Silage Grapple is a universal device on every farm. The grapple bucket is characterized by easy and fast operation, especially at high feed speeds. Thanks to its robust design, the grapple bucket can be used for a wide variety of applications, making it an extremely versatile device that quickly becomes indispensable in everyday life. Especially on large farms with large amounts of feed in silos, powerful and reliable technology is required to ensure that animals are supplied with the best feed in the shortest possible time. The Silo Grip Silage Grapple Shovel is ideal for digging large silos. The sturdy top grip holds a large amount of material and keeps it securely in the bucket, so the feed mixer can be loaded quickly and easily in just a few steps. The new 36-meter drip irrigation boom has an entirely compact new design that offers many innovative solutions. Fewer hose meters and faster reaction times for start and stop functions are a definite plus of the technique. By the way, both wings can be adjusted up and down independently of each other. The wings always follow the soil surface, and the hoses always remain in contact with the soil, so the slurry is not sprayed from higher or lower heights, resulting in higher ammonia emissions and lower nutrient utilization in the slurry. Samson's SHB4 is sure to be your most reliable working partner. Meet the new Agbot 2.055W3 with a CF2000 AB sprayer. The sprayer tank is mounted on top of the Agbot, and the sprayer tower is attached to the 3-point linkage at the rear. The sprayer can be equipped with innovative technologies to significantly reduce the amount of crop protection chemicals. Weed control and liquid forage application is carried out using the 3-point frame. 2 infinitely adjustable spray hoods with 3 nozzles per side or a set of 2 nozzles, including a 150 liter per minute pump per side, hang from it. The frame also houses a 120-liter tank and a dosatron metering pump for injection into the spray line. The mechanical weed control system operates on both sides and is mechanically adjustable. The Jacobson Gang Mower is a high-performance mowing unit designed for mounting on standard vehicles. The inline mower system ensures uniform grass cutting, while the ability to adjust the cutting height allows you to adapt to different conditions. Hydraulic steering ensures easy maneuverability and reliable operation, even in difficult terrain. Wilson Supermove is a self-loading cart specially designed for efficient handling of round bales. The principle is simple. The operator simply guides the cart to the bale, and the system grabs the bale itself. Comfortable wheels ensure easy maneuverability of all types of terrain, and the robust construction guarantees a long service life, even under intensive use. Imagine equipment that will transform your approach to agricultural work. The Krone Squadro 1570 to 2000 combines innovative solutions and time-tested technologies. With the ability to change the working width from 51.5 to 65.6 feet, these rake tethers can adapt to any task. The compact design makes transportation and storage easier, and the high working speed allows for faster processing of large areas. The minimal soil contact technology preserves soil structure and prevents compaction, promoting better plant growth for the next year. H2-Track EOX 175 is a diesel-electric tractor that does not necessarily need to sit directly in the cab. The operator can control the machine via a special application on a tablet or phone. According to the developers, EOX means electric bull. The company is specially chosen for the name of this type of animal, which is actively used in agriculture. The transmission of the machine and the implement holder is electric. The technique is powered by a rechargeable battery. To increase the range or operating time, there is already onboard a range extender, a power source that generates energy to recharge the battery pack during operation. With 4-wheel steering, the turning radius is 31.5 feet, and the track width is adjustable from 7.4 to 10.5 feet. Just look at the Nexat, the legacy of half a century of innovations and the highest technologies of an agricultural industry. This system is not just a machine, but a fully fledged agricultural revolutionary capable of becoming your reliable assistant in harvesting corn and sunflowers. Nexat turns the complexities of modern farming into opportunities, raising plant production to a new level. Wow, who could have thought that one machine could become the heart of CO2-neutral agriculture, combining the best practices from Germany and the world? Nexat does it easily and stylishly. Damcon rippers are a precision weapon in the fight against weeds. They penetrate the soil, gently loosening it and cutting weeds right at the roots without damaging beneficial plants. Thanks to the tractor's gantry design, several rows can be cultivated at once, which significantly increases work speed. Krone is the king of corn harvesting. Its self-propelled silage harvesters gently pick up the stalks from the ground and feed them into the chopping chamber. There, powerful drums chop the crop to the required length, and the feeding system evenly distributes the mass into the transport. The machine manages perfectly the harvesting process, ensuring a clean cut and optimum loading. A number of companies are developing autonomous feed mixer models, and among them is Strautmann, which has introduced its all-electric, three-wheeled, in-house designed 41 cubic foot, three-wheeled feed mixer. The eVerti Feed 1251 is a new self-propelled 400-volt battery-powered 40 kilowatt per hour self-propelled feed mixer with two electric motors to drive the mixer and hydraulic units. The market launch of the new Strautmann eVerti Feed 1251 electric feed mixer is scheduled for the middle of the current year, 2024. Need a helper in bale collection who doesn't know fatigue and sluggishness? Meet the G1 F125 Combi from Govile, your new hero in the fields. This master of bale binding is equipped with proprietary Ballenfanger and Ballenstopper systems, making each bale not just packed, but perfectly processed. From now on, every bale will be as neat as a birthday present wrapped with love. Ready for a leap into the future of agricultural machinery? The MF Ideal from Massey Ferguson is here to make that future a reality right now. With its unique crop management system that automatically adjusts the combine for optimal performance in various conditions, the MF Ideal promises amazing results. Its power impresses, up to 790 horsepower ready to conquer the fields. And don't forget the revolutionary chopping and separation system that reduces grain loss to an absolute minimum. Behind the control of the seat of the MF Ideal, you'll feel like you can literally move mountains, or at least mountains of grain. Say hello to the new member of the agricultural team.
Hello.
The Iseki FM 468 Combine Harvester. This monster of agricultural machinery is equipped with advanced technologies that guarantee maximum productivity and minimal crop loss. Its outstanding feature is a powerful extended header up to 15 feet wide, allowing processing wide fields in the shortest possible time. The high-power engine ensures continuous operation, and the comfortable cabin with climate control provides comfort to the operator throughout the day. How about a bit of green magic in the field? The Yellow Cobra 7710T is a mower chopper that not only collects feed, but does it with the elegance of a true professional, with such power and work speed that even the fastest farmers will be envious. Don't think of it as just a machine. It's a whole performance in feed harvesting. The Cobra 7710T can instantly process huge areas, turning your crops into perfectly chopped feed. Wow, who would have thought that feed chopping could be so stylish? How often do you think about how much netting is needed to keep your hay bales intact? Specialized balers from Vermeer know the answer to this question better than you. These machines are equipped with advanced packaging systems that can accurately calculate the necessary amount of netting film for each bale. Thanks to this, you save materials and protect the harvest. Let it not seem like a trifle. because it is such details that determine how successful your agricultural labor will be protected from time and weather conditions. If you need a reliable helper for maneuvering with round bales on the farm, meet the Small from Flegel Agro Center. This fork rake is ideal for those who are tired of heavy lifting work. Small but powerful, it easily handles bales without touching the soil. Just think, take, move, place, all in one motion. Save your strength for other tasks. With the HPX 195 Pro Push, your farm work will become so easy you'll feel like a superhero. This commercial-grade manure spreader with hydraulic drive is a true master of its craft. With a capacity of 195 cubic feet, it moves across the field like a tank, leaving evenly spread manure in its wake. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise control, and the robust steel construction promises years of service. Forget manual labor, and let the HPX 195 Pro Push do all the heavy work for you, turning your labor into pleasure and your harvest into pride. The Grigor GX 9.6 is a grape harvester for high-yielding vineyards. Its six-cylinder Deutz engine with 190 horsepower provides maximum performance. The Pucklane permanent hydrostatic all-wheel drive provides increased maximum ground clearance, up to 28%, guaranteeing a high performance and efficient transmission. Auto Drive automatically adapts the engine speed to the driving speed. This integrated engine speed control provides unrivaled drivetrain flexibility and significantly reduces fuel consumption and noise levels. The joystick can also be used for forward control. You don't have to choose between performance and precision. After all, Samson TSB semi-trailers have proven their worth in the field. The company's commitment to flexibility and innovation drives its specialists to develop cutting-edge solutions to meet the changing needs of its customers. Samson TSB is a solid investment as it offers several working widths, easy integration on new and existing tankers, and a compact transport position. I would also like to emphasize the high loading capacity and excellent contour adaptation. The advantages of the machine include precise application, improved soil penetration, reduced odors and ammonia emissions, and nutrient evaporation. Believe me, this machine will take good care of your plants because it has an economical application style. You see one of the best tandem slurry tankers. Do you have a large farm with medium to large storage? Do you have a tractor with around 100 to 200 horsepower? Then the Nevada Tandem Slurry Tanker is what you need. It will perform better than a single-axle model. The more wheels, the less ground pressure, so you're less likely to get stuck in the paddock or dirty grass. Plus, with the ability to carry loads of 10,000 liters or more, you'll be able to get the job done much faster. If you're looking for the best slurry tanker to maximize wastewater nutrients and ensure a healthier and more profitable farm, you now know exactly what to choose. The mechanical harvesting of raspberries with the Oscar A01 harvester produces fruit for different markets. After sorting, the raspberries can be sold as fresh or deep frozen, as quick frozen berries, IQF, or processed into various products. The V-shake system is provided by a harvester with special heads, asymmetrically positioned in relation to the plantation, which separates the raspberry bush, effectively separating the fruit from the bushes. This system works well in plantations without support elements or obstacles. This system is particularly suitable for harvesting fall raspberries and can also be additionally used for harvesting other berries, including currants, black currants, rowan berries, and others. The EX17 Purveyor wagon is a specialty harvesting trailer with a hydraulic conveyor that extends above the crops. The EX17 can be adjusted in height from 14 inches from the wagon bed or up to 40 inches. The conveyor is 30 feet long and has slats every 12 inches. Workers can walk around the field and place crops such as cauliflower, melons, pumpkin, lettuce, broccoli, etc. on the conveyor belt so they can easily be transported to the packer. The packer on the trailer can adjust the conveyor with hydraulic elevators to better adapt to the position of the pickers. In addition, as the crop is harvested and the produce bins are filled, the packer can easily move the conveyor forward or backward on the trailer. When the wagon bins are full or harvesting is complete, the conveyor can be conveniently folded up and the wagon can be towed back to the farm. This is a special container-type tea leaf picker from Terada Seisakusho Company. It's most often used on tea plantations in hilly and mountainous areas. The technique is equipped with a powerful diesel engine and has a tread with variable type, which is not limited by the width of the ridges in the tea garden, variable from 5.25 to 6 feet. And the next thing you know, after picking, the harvested product is subjected to the leaf trimming process for the next tea crop. The C&M attachment trailer is an indispensable accessory for anyone who needs to safely and smoothly transport attachments between sites. Thanks to the thoughtful design and quality craftsmanship that C&M is known for, this trailer's platform can quickly and easily be lowered to ground level, making loading and unloading easier. It also boasts steering on support wheels for negotiating tight turns and culverts, and a load capacity of up to 8 tons. The new VSV is the first machine fully conceived, developed, and designed for grounds maintenance professionals. It's very fuel efficient, ergonomic, stable, and comfortable, and a true focus of innovation. The VSV illustrates perfectly Noramat's ongoing mission to utilize all available means to provide all users with new, cost-effective equipment. The cab, manipulator, and engine are positioned to meet the requirements perfectly that relate to the machine's visibility, stability, and versatility. With its manipulator mounted behind the cab, the VSV technician can cut grass, spin the turbine, and pull the trailer all at the same time. The Oxbow 9120 Raspberry Harvester is a highly efficient raspberry harvesting machine that ensures quick and accurate harvesting. It's equipped with special grippers that gently lift the berries from the bush, minimizing damage. During operation, the raspberries pass through a filtration system where leaves and debris are separated, and then the berries are carefully directed into the hopper. Stinger machines provide fast and efficient bale stacking and transportation. First, the gripper lifts the bale and gently places it on the platform, where it's secured with special clamps. The hydraulic system then shifts the bales to form a tight stack. The integrated elevator allows the stacks to be gently unloaded at the destination point, minimizing the risk of damage. This machine literally pulls leeks from the ground, shakes, trims, and places them onto pallets, all while preserving the roots and market-ready appearance. Its finely tuned depth and cleaning adjustments make leek harvesting fast and impressively gentle for such a finicky crop. When apple trees are more loaded than your thoughts at the end of harvest season, TA50 rolls in. This low-platform genius gently picks fruit, sorts it on the go, and stacks it into crates, perfect for cider making, where every apple counts. Holtz's Nut Wizard isn't just an attachment, it's wheel-mounted magic. It fits on a lawnmower and picks up nuts, acorns, and cones like a vacuum. Lightweight, maneuverable, gentle on grass, and easy on your back. Harvesting becomes a walk in the park. Pfluger's harvester gathers spinach faster than you can say Popeye. A 4-row system with independent height control, a nearly 10-foot cutting width, and gentle transport straight into containers. Not a gram of freshness lost. The Optimum Automatic Harvester from Pelenk is a giant designed for gentle, high-speed harvesting. With Arbo process perfected, it features suspension, soft gripping, and continuous feeding, like giving a fruit tree a massage instead of a shake. This harvester cuts sugarcane, removes leaves, and loads it directly into transport. Smart sensors control cutting height, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. This engineering marvel creates perfect planting holes, precise, clean, and with minimal disruption. While it works tirelessly, you simply choose the seeds to plant. Now you can experience productivity on a new level. With the Kemper 300 Pro Series, equipped with the most demanding tasks in the field, everything happens easily and simply. Thanks to the optimized cutting system, which allows precise and careful separation of the plant from the root, the Kemper 300 Pro Series guarantees maximum preservation of your crop quality. The model is equipped with an advanced engine that provides the necessary power and efficiency with minimal fuel consumption. But most importantly, the machine includes easy adjustment and control functions, making the harvesting season less stressful and more productive. Meet the Pitbull Rake from Tubeline. Not just a rake, but a real guard for your field. This agricultural warrior is ready to take on all the heavy work of hay harvesting. Like a true pit bull, it grabs any task by the scruff of the neck and doesn't let go until complete victory. Thanks to its incredible power and endurance, the Pitbull Rake makes the harvesting process not only efficient, but also surprisingly easy. Your fields will be quickly cleared without extra effort, and you can enjoy a well-deserved rest. Turn grape harvesting into pleasure with a grape bin from Collier & Miller. This container is designed for maximum productivity, allowing you to collect more grapes in less time. Forget broken baskets and lost berries. The grape bin ensures the reliability and safety of your harvest. Thanks to its thoughtful design, every collected grape will be intact and safe until processing. Working with such a helper is easy and pleasant, and the grape harvest will break all records. Ready to take on serious soil treatment? Meet the C&M Tandem Disc, a monster machine that will turn your fields into the perfect planting ground. This machine is so powerful, it seems like it could move mountains. With the Tandem Disc, deep soil treatment becomes an easy task. Powerful discs penetrate significant depths, breaking up the most stubborn soil clods. You'll get a smooth and prepared field ready for sowing. No more compromises, only power and efficiency with a C&M Tandem Disc. If potato and onion harvesting were a competition, the Ropa Kaler 2 Classic RK22 would take the gold medal. This machine turns every field into an arena for a show, skillfully and flawlessly digging up each tuber and onion. With it, your harvest will look like they've been through a casting call for a farmer's runway. With the RK22, forget about lost harvests and mess in the field. Working with this machine, you'll feel like a conductor of an orchestra, where every vegetable is in its place with inch-perfect precision. If weeds could be scared, they would tremble at the sight of the Gruner Stilt Cultivator. This unique weeding tool doesn't just work, it puts on a real show in your garden. It strides through your beds like a stylish stilt walker, destroying weeds with one swift move. Imagine yourself relaxing with lemonade while your new helper does all the hard work. Thunder rumbles, weeds disappear, and only well-maintained soil remains. With such a cultivator, weeds will be as easy as a walk in the park. Proven technology is combined with convenient and practical functions, all in the latest generation of Vitasem mechanical seed drills, to guarantee simple and precise sowing for all farmers. The Vitasem machines have been modernized and optimized to the maximum. Their proven technology is now combined with an even easier operation. And you know, this is the hallmark of mechanical seed drills from this company. With Vitasem seeders, you can lay the foundation for healthy growth of future plants. Just look at the most perfect stone fruit picker: plum, cherry, olive, and hazelnut. It's designed as a standalone unit that is simply attached to the tractor using a PTO transmission and standard couplings. The weight of such a machine is 0.85 tons. During work, it rests on the ground, and during transportation, it's carried by an auxiliary wheel. The machine is operated by a minimum of 2 workers, a tractor driver and a fruit crate picker. And what's great is that through the use of this fruit picker, the degree of cleaning on each tree is more than 95%, with complete removal of impurities, leaves, branches, and other things. Furthermore, with it, you can smoothly change the amplitude and frequency right during the workflow. You see the Guardian self-propelled sprayer with front boom from New Holland. With a ground clearance of up to 6.5 feet, it's one of the highest in the field. This means it can be used to spray crops at all stages of growth. This model has 410 horsepower, a 7,300-liter tank, and booms up to 138 feet wide, which together allow you to treat more acres in an hour. Its high-tech cab provides maximum comfort, clear visibility, and control over your work thanks to more space. The Guardian's tight turning radius allows for fast, precise turns on the headland, reducing crop damage and easy maneuverability in the most demanding situations. The Rollabar 230 extends raking widths up to 30 feet, providing tremendous capacity to reduce the number of passes needed to get the job done, thereby increasing overall efficiency and productivity. It's ideal for raking swaths produced by self-propelled mowers with heads up to 19 feet wide and center pivot mocos. The Rollabar 230 is easy to adapt to the field and crop conditions. You can change the height and tilt of the basket with a simple turnbuckle adjustment, and the intuitive control box allows you to make changes on the go without getting out of the tractor seat. Plus, using the red and blue buttons on the control box, the Rollabar 230 folds to a width of 10 feet 8 inches for easy maneuverability and confident transportation to your next location. The Cabbage Harvester FHT1 is a tractor-drawn machine for harvesting vegetables. This machine consists of 2 frames with hydraulic folding system. The center belt is about 23.6 inches and has 2 hydraulic maneuvers for height adjustment. The top of the center strap is up to 47.2 inches long, and that's the part that goes to the trailer. The center box is equipped with an anti-roll system. Hydraulic maneuvers are operated by electro valves, and the control unit is mounted inside the tractor. What's also remarkable is that all important features correspond to the standard model of this machinery. The machine can also be customized with different measures according to all customer needs. The Victor Z is a special self-propelled harvester designed for the professional harvesting of currants and black currants, and is an excellent solution for plantations from 30 to 40 to several hundred hectares. This harvester utilizes harvesting systems based on 2 V-shaped shakers. The system works in conjunction with the optimal geometry of the bush transition through the shaking unit. The use of the oscillating linkage guarantees almost 100% harvesting efficiency without damage to the bushes. Thanks to this, it's possible to harvest up to 20 tons of very high-quality berries from just 1 hectare of planting. This machine consists of a cross-shaped frame with hardened steel disc chains with sharp edges attached to its 4 open sides. The concave interchangeable discs are suspended together by hinges to form a flexible unit whose weight can be varied between 176 and 265 pounds per foot by means of additional segments. These particularly heavy chains provide optimal adaptation to soil structure due to their weight and mobility, and according to the company, are designed for more aggressive chopping of hard crop residues than classic disc harrows. Flegel promises to significantly reduce operating costs through simple tensioning of the wide chain pulley frame and consequent savings in herbicides, which is a particular advantage in weed control and resistance. The Horsch Pronto 7 DC is a universal sowing machine that is ideally suited for different crop types, sowing conditions, and different tillage techniques. In addition to classic crops such as wheat, rape, and barley, the machine can also be used to sow intercrops or grasses, and with the optimized pneumatics, even uncultivated spelt can be sown. Thanks to the new frame design, the Pronto 7 DC is slightly lighter than previous generation models and can be coupled with the same tractor. The low traction of the machine helps to reduce soil compaction. With its excellent working width, the drill is quick and productive in sowing. Compared to the Pronto 6 DC, the new model works a 118-foot wide strip in only 5 passes, while its predecessor worked in 6 more passes. This saves up to 20% in fuel, time, and reduces the impact of compaction on the soil. To all fans of agricultural machinery, we present the Tulip Multi-Disc 300XL. This titan of field work, with a working width of 9.8 feet, revolutionizes soil preparation. A true robot in the world of tractors, it eases any task, making field work not only productive, but also exciting. Operating this multi-disc is like piloting a spaceship, but without the need for astronaut training. Easy to use and powerful in operation, the Tulip Multi-Disc 300XL is a real find for any agronomist. How about turning the routine spraying of tulips into a real art? With a Landquip field sprayer, your garden will come alive with new colors. This precision genius will not only protect your flowers from pests and diseases, but also amaze you with its ability to evenly cover every corner of the field. And don't worry about the complexity of management. Landquip is designed with farmers' convenience in mind, so you can enjoy healthy and beautiful tulips without extra hassle. Meet the Cross 1100 Muck Spreader, your new best friend in the world of fertilizer distribution. This fertilizer spreader is designed to withstand the toughest test of strength thanks to its durable steel body and reliable construction. Power, volume, and precision, that's what Cross 1100 can boast of. The unit's dosing system is designed to provide the most uniform distribution, improving soil fertility and reducing material losses. Just think, your work can become so productive and clean that even the most capricious plants will thank you. The Ropa Kaler 2 RK22 is a true fighter in the world of potato diggers. Under the hood of this monster is a 326 horsepower engine, allowing it to process fields with unparalleled efficiency. With a working width of 6 feet and an advanced cleaning system combining vibration and rotation elements, it guarantees that every potato is dug out without damage. In addition, its spacious 7-ton bunker reduces unloading time. Reliable, powerful, and ultra-efficient, the Kaler 2 RK22 makes the potato harvesting process easier and more enjoyable. Need a reliable way to make the feed dance to your rules? Meet the Vertical Mixers VSR 440 and VSR 540 from Vermeer. These smart devices can load up to 540 cubic feet of feed, making them ideal for farms of any size. They're equipped with a revolutionary vertical auger that doesn't just mix, it works magic with feeds, achieving perfect uniformity without long waits. The mixers also operate from a standard PTO, that's power takeoff shaft, at 1000 RPM, minimizing the load on the machine. True feed conductors who can handle the feed better than anyone. Meet the Amadas 9990 Peanut Combine, a true agro giant with record productivity. This machine is the result of a 20-year partnership between Amadas Industries and John Deere. Under the hood, it has a 90-liter John Deere Tier 4 engine with 333 horsepower, equipped with turbocharging and air cooling. And in the cabin? Well, there's comfort worthy of a VIP. Everything to make you feel like the king of peanut fields. Navigating the field with such an assistant is a pleasure. Even in the most difficult corners and ends of the rows, your harvest is safe. Which soil ripper to choose? Erskine Mini or full size? It's like choosing between a sports coupe and a family SUV. The Mini is great for small, narrow spaces with its compact efficiency, while the full size is a real beast for larger area processing, thanks to its larger design. And I'll say this, the Ditch Witch Model SK1550 Ripper is your reliable assistant for quick and precise land ripping tasks, while the SK3000 handles more complex tasks, like turning mountains of earth into flat fields. Need a reliable helper on the farm? The Einsterschaufel from Flegel is like a Swiss Army knife for animal feeding. This technological marvel can do everything, from loading and mixing feed to its neat distribution. The beveled shovel design allows easy control of the feed flow, ensuring that each animal gets exactly as much as it needs without the risk of overfeeding. Add to this the ease of installation on any tractor or loader, and you get a tool that makes farm work more efficient and enjoyable. If you were looking for a hero for your fields, the Schultes Spartan RWP 1935 rock picker is exactly what you need. This rock picker not only knows how to collect stones, but does it with a distinctive shine. Capable of lifting stones weighing up to 1,360 pounds, it makes your land clean and ready for sowing. Its working width of 76 inches allows clearing a large area in one pass, and the sturdy construction of high-quality steel promises many years of service. Don't give stones a chance. Chainless square and round bale feeders are self-loading, suitable for feeding any bale, round or square, and maximize feed utilization. Chainless TX205 minimizes feed wastage by feeding into narrow swaths, making feed more accessible to animals and virtually eliminating damage from hoof trampling, manure spoilage, and animal overlap on feed. Efficient energy use, savings on equipment investment, and faster bale feeding all add up to impressive fuel savings made possible by the hydraulic drive system at the heart of every Hustler trailerless square bale feeder. The chainless square and round bale feeder has a larger lever arm, stronger construction, and a 1.5-ton capacity. Meet the Maja shaking and cleaning machine. In fact, it's a rear-mounted machine that combines the functions of shaking and cleaning fruit and is designed for picking apples, cherries, and plums. Harvesting is done by gently shaking the fruit with the help of a shaker mounted on the machine onto a screen, the tarpaulin, lying on the ground. The fruit is then transferred to a conveyor belt and transported to the cleaning unit, while the screen is rolled away hydraulically. The Maja is a machine characterized by a solid and robust construction, excellent maneuverability, smooth adjustment of parameters, and an independent and efficient hydraulic system. In 2021, FarmWise unveiled its first robot, the Titan. It's a massive piece of metal that looks like a tractor with attachments on the front, but without a driver's seat. Instead, an operator controls it with an iPad, walking alongside the robot. Because Titan tracks 5 or 6 rows at a time, this powerful machine uses sensors and machine vision to distinguish weeds from crops of agricultural origin. Its cultivation blades respond quickly, creating and executing a plan to cut weeds less than 0.4 inches from crops without disturbing them. The BioChopper PTO crop chopper is suitable for chopping various vegetable crops such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, eggplants, including synthetic or biological twine, or strawberries, as well as other soft fruits. This BioChopper can be connected to the tractor's PTO on either side, front or rear, and has a 360-degree rotating ejector tube for efficient workflow in any situation. The tractor's 100 horsepower is more than enough for fast and efficient harvesting. Independent hydraulic web control with height-adjustable traverse ensures perfect winding of the transport web. Thanks to the intelligent auger technology, the BioChopper can easily handle long, short, and bulky crops. Are you tired of traditional and labor-intensive methods of blueberry picking and concerned about the loss of fruit during mechanical picking? Then we present the Jade 300 Blueberry Harvester, an exceptional solution created during 5 years of engineering cooperation with the Institute of Horticulture in Poland. This harvester is changing the way blueberry picking is done, offering increased efficiency, cost savings, and adaptability to different landscapes. Unique features and benefits showcase the exceptional performance of the Jade 300. Achieving outstanding results, the Jade 300 minimizes fruit loss to less than 5%, setting a new standard for efficiency. This pioneering choice provides a comprehensive and adaptable solution for berry growers around the world. The Grunner Applighter is a special combine harvester that combines the best solutions developed from the manufacturer's own experience and inspired by other machines. Thanks to the use of innovative ideas, the Grunner Applighter serves its owner even better. So is it time to replace traditional apple picking with modern solutions that ensure smooth operation without downtime? Working in the garden will no longer be tedious and time-consuming. Simply use the new generation of Grunner apple harvesters, which makes gardening faster and easier. With high maneuverability and fine-tuning, Damcon multi-track gantry tractors provide delicate plant care while minimizing damage and increasing productivity. The design allows you to work in areas with row spacing from 28 to 59 inches, making them ideal for tilling strawberries, blueberries, deciduous and coniferous trees. The Oxbow harvester is a powerful green bean harvester designed for quick and neat harvesting. Special grippers lift the plants, then brush rollers and a drum mechanism gently snip the pods, separating them from the stalks. The beans are then transferred to a conveyor belt and carefully loaded into containers, keeping them intact and fresh. The AgBot with spraying system is an advanced solution for spot application of pesticides and fertilizers. Equipped with advanced sensors, this autonomous robot analyzes plant and soil conditions to determine where treatment is needed. Spraying is uniform and precise, greatly minimizing chemical overspray and reducing environmental impact. The Jade 5750's unique design with 2 vertical shafts and specialty paddles provides uniform mixing of various components including hay, silage, and grain. This machine can handle up to 1,500 pounds of feed per load, accelerating the feeding process and reducing labor costs. The optional high travel loading feature allows it to be used on various terrain types. The Certa 40 from DeWolf is a highly efficient 4-row potato harvester capable of forming 35.4-inch wide ridges immediately in the field. The machine first prepares the peeled tubers before distributing them to the stackers, which precisely form the rows. The unique design ensures optimal placement and minimal crop damage in the process. The DeWolf self-propelled potato harvester with 2 rows ensures efficient and fast potato harvesting. It starts with potato row picking, where powerful blades lift the tubers out of the soil, minimizing damage. Harvesting takes place at speeds of up to 3.1 miles per hour, and the integrated cleaning system effectively separates root crops from soil and vegetation. The Select model isn't a tractor with a harrow. It's a near jeweler's tool for weeding within rows. Perfect for delicate crops and for those who want to clean smart, not just thoroughly. Italians know machinery, especially when it comes to tomatoes. Corima's new 2-row harvester doesn't just collect, it handles the fruit gently, quickly, and without losses. Up to 25 tons per hour, all under the bright Italian sun. The new Camps Voltadora isn't just a compost turner, it's an aerodynamic turbine for soil improvement. Flipping windrows up to 8 feet wide, it oxygenates and doubles fermentation speed. Clean, fast, eco-friendly. See for yourself. Arielleland Fast Bale Premium is the world's first continuous operation fixed chamber baler wrapping combo. In 24 hours, it produced enough bales to feed half a continent, a true packaging tech revolution. Small livestock operations that produce round bales on their own schedule need simple equipment that is built to last. That's exactly what the New Holland Roll Belt Model 450 Utility Plus baler provides. This easy-to-use baler truly combines the proven performance of a super sweep pickup and mechanical filler with a rugged, legendary roll belt design. What's more, it maintains a low power consumption of just 45 horsepower at the PTO, perfect for smaller utility tractors. New Holland has created the new T8 Genesis from PLM Intelligence. From an updated cab designed to make driving experience as comfortable as possible, to intuitive next-generation controls that can be easily customizable for the task at hand, Every detail has been carefully designed to meet your needs. The new T8 Genesis is the first tractor on the market to fully integrate New Holland's advanced PLM intelligence platform. So wherever you are, you'll always be able to access real-time statistics, information, and support. All these developments and innovations have evolved to create the most intuitive tractor you could ever imagine. The new Speed Rower Plus series is the most productive, precise, and powerful self-propelled mowers ever built by the New Holland brand. The Speed Rower Plus series offers superior handling with advanced sensor drive electronic control, increased productivity with the industry's highest speeds, easy-to-use precision land management or PLM solutions, and the most comfortable ride in the company's history. The new Durabind Plus disc cutter bars are designed to take advantage of higher speeds and improve cutting and conditioning quality. The three-wheel reaper binder harvests wheat, rice, oats, barley, etc., and automatically binds the bundles in one operation. The use of BCS Reaper Binder ensures almost 100% straw harvesting and complete grain recovery with minimal shattering losses. This not only saves time, but also proves to be very economical and profitable due to lower operating costs compared to manual harvesting. Harvesting, reaping and tying is done at the rate of 1 acre per hour and diesel consumption of 1 liter. You see the Taylor Farms cool automatic cabbage harvester, one of the most revolutionary machines in the industry. Having done away with manual harvesting in the past, this automated harvester is essentially the sort of mobile factory that provides ergonomically correct harvesting conditions. In doing so, the machine does a decent job of combining the productivity of manual staff with a 50% reduction in labor costs. And how this machine works, you can see right now on your screens. This is a seedling transplanting machine with a rotor system with clamps, which is designed for transplanting bare root grape shoots, cuttings, both for flat and sloping land. I'd also like to point out right away that the TH100 from Spaperi is an incredibly versatile, flexible, and highly productive machine. This machine is essential for precision transplanting, which requires cross-checking the straight and diagonal lines of the planting pattern for the control units for connecting the machines to GPS, RTK, and automatic tractor steering systems. Joanna 5 Premium is the newest model in the series of combines in the same name, which is designed especially for those customers who need a specific machine for processing tall bushes. This machine excels in a variety of berry plantations with row spacing of 11.5 feet or more. The Joanna 5 Premium model is especially designed for harvesting chokeberries, rose hips, and other crops that can be even up to 10 feet tall. Thanks to the longer cross conveyor as well as the longer shaker, this combine is characterized by increased productivity and at the same time, it does not damage the bushes themselves. Thanks to the modern hydraulic system, this combine can be equipped with rear swivel wheels and a side leveler. The Olivion electric shake rake has been specially designed to make olive harvesting easier and more profitable. This technique combines maneuverability and lightness, while keeping the tree and its branches safe. Available in 2 models, they're adapted to different types of fruit and are on average 8 times faster than manual harvesting. Easy to use, with impeccable efficiency, this machine is equipped with an ergonomic vibration-isolating handle. You can comfortably use it throughout the workday thanks to its exceptional battery life. Super Champ SL is durable, reliable in operation, and extremely robust. This means up to 30,000 operating hours with low maintenance costs. Thanks to the powerful and reliable Mercedes-Benz engine, the machine is the ideal high-performance partner for large companies, contractors, and many company groups. Thanks to the powerful 6-cylinder MTU engine of the latest generation with an output of 210 kilowatts, the Super Champ SL operates at maximum productivity, at a significantly reduced operating speed. All shredding and mixing processes take place at 1400 RPM, and even travel at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour is within this low-speed range. The result? Uncompromising performance on demand, smooth running, economical, material, and environmental protection. Forget the old way of field treatment. Senia's cultivators from Amazon come to replace, offering a working width of 10 to 23 feet. They're perfect for everything, from shallow stubble treatment to deep loosening. These multifunctional machines turn complex tasks into processes as enjoyable as a walk in the park. Thanks to the optimized frame and powerful yet economical settings, Senius doesn't just work, it literally dominates the field. Just let the machine show you what it can do, and your field will thank you with a harvest. The Vlaming Harvester 2024 Horizon Flowers doesn't just harvest tulip bulbs in Flevoland. It takes the entire process to a whole new level. Thanks to a special grid, this harvesting machine not only gently lifts the bulbs, but also immediately cleans them of soil and debris. This means less work after harvesting and a cleaner crop ready for the next stage of processing. Just imagine how efficiency meets innovation to preserve the valuable crop and prepare it for sale or transplanting faster than ever. If you're looking for a real giant for seeding, here it is, the Primera DMC from Amazon. Imagine a seeder that can stride widely across fields. It doesn't just seed, but it does it with chisels tested over 100,000 times. As for methods, the Primera DMC easily handles both direct seeding and mulched or plowed. The perfect choice for those who want to reduce costs, but increase productivity on vast lands. Who said that the good times in agriculture were better? Meet the Model 4614 from Kelly, an agro-technological wonder ready to turn your approach to growing soybeans in Kansas. This machine is so advanced compared to its predecessor, the 4012, that it added not only a wider working width to its arsenal, but also dual tires for unparalleled traction. No matter if you're driving on a flat road or rough terrain, increased passability and higher ground clearance make the Model 4614 the perfect choice for working on terraced fields. Your future soybean harvest will definitely thank you. How about making potato vine shredding not only useful, but also fun? The BFP 320 and BFP 370 shredders from Kuhn turn tedious cleaning into an exciting shredding show. Forget about labor-intensive methods. These machines do everything quickly and efficiently, turning the remnants of the harvest into mulch for your field. With them, literally every harvest ends with a triumphant note, with a clean field and nutrient-rich bedding for future plantings. How to turn a heap of feed into a high-class buffet. With a Pecan Biga 40-meter cubed feed mixer, anything is possible. Not just capacious, but huge. This monster loads up to 40 cubic meters of feed and does what? That's right, creates a culinary wonder, thanks to 3 double augers that churn through everything in the path. 4 hydraulic doors release the ready product as smoothly as a bartender serves drinks at a Friday party. 2 axles keep all this magnificence in a stable position, promising long service and reliability at every step. Meet the Gruner Raptor, a pruning mower that can make your garden the center of a green fashion. This mechanical stylist not only skillfully cares for trees, but does so with such elegance that even the oldest plants will start to feel like young saplings. The Raptor is equipped with advanced technology. Its blades are so sharp that they can cut time spent on ordinary pruning. With such a helper, you'll become a hero of the gardening world, and your trees, eternal youths in green outfits. Meet the Van Hook Combine, the perfect partner for those tired of crooked cuts and uneven cabbage harvesting. This compact wonder combine is so smart that its harvesting speed adjusts to the speed of your tractor, providing VIP treatment for each head of cabbage. No more ripped from the root stories, only perfectly straight cuts. And thanks to the wagon loader, all the harvest will be neatly packed as it's collected. Here's a twist. With Van Hook, your farm will turn into a real factory for producing perfect cabbage. The Jumbo 4-inch harvester trailer has been designed for maximum productivity and maximum efficiency. It offers harvesting with unrivaled cleanliness, the exceptional reliability of a pickup trailer, the flexibility and capacity of a transport trailer, precise chopping quality, and the high performance of a 4-inch harvester. The new Jumbo series thus combines the key functions of 4-inch harvesting and transportation in one machine. Servo 3000 with 3 to 5 bodies is the middle of Pottinger's mounted reversible plows, designed for medium-sized tractors up to 200 horsepower. The plow impresses with its simple adjustment center and a wide range of customization options. The proven body of this plow, in combination with various additional implements, guarantees perfect incorporation of crop residues as a basis for the following harvest. Whether you're working with silage or hay, on flat or hilly terrain, Pottinger hit tedders from Pottinger deliver perfect results everywhere. The innovative Dynatech rotor technology ensures the cleanest possible spreading and maximum forage protection. The working widths of the 4 HIT HT models 28.2, 34.75, 41.65, and 55.77 feet guarantee maximum impact force. Despite the large working width, the power required for tedding is still low. Thanks to the trail design, the tractor does not need any lifting power. With the HIT HT tedders, small tractors can work large areas of land. Swedish trailer manufacturer Ivarsson's I Mistjo has launched its Metaflex 4X 4-axle hook lift. The new hook lift has a lifting capacity of 30 tons and accepts Scandinavian and European standard containers with lengths of 19.6 to 24.6 feet. The technique is based on the Mistjo gearshift system with telescopic cylinders that work in synergy. The system does provide a very fast tipping process and low dead weight. Despite 4 axles and a 30-ton payload, the Metaflex 4X weighs only 6 tons, which means it lifts a weight somewhere around 5 times its own weight. Ropa has developed the new Mouse 6 beet loader with a significantly larger cab and networked workstation in a class of its own. This new model from the technology leader in beet harvesters has been given a new, modern design. The exterior of the Ropa Mouse 6 already symbolizes digitization and agriculture 4.0. The panoramic cab of the modern design creates a feeling of spaciousness and rises to 16.7 feet in working mode. A new computer, joysticks, and 2 12.1-inch terminals create intuitive operation. The driver's seat, with swivel seat and integrated ventilation and heating, is a visualization of technological leadership and the beginning of a new era of network communication in sugar beet loading. The 4-row Enduro screening combine from De Wolf has become one of the most important players in the self-propelled combine market. With a 2-section hopper providing a comfortable capacity of 9 tons, this machine claims to be the largest in its market segment. The combine also offers excellent traction, even in the most difficult conditions. Finally, the Enduro is the clearest and easiest machine to operate, and all thanks to its ergonomics and absolute ease of operation in the cab. The new John Deere 8000 series of self-propelled forage harvesters are designed for an important purpose: to ensure you can produce even higher quality silage more efficiently. The benefits include the new ProStream crop feeding system and redesigned chopping drum, which work together to maximize throughput. You'll also be pleased with a functional, comfortable cab with panoramic view, plenty of space, and intuitive controls and displays. Think intelligent forage management. The Harvest Lab 3000 system measures and documents both dry weight and component content in real time for accurate silage quality analysis. Prepare for innovations in the world of onions with the latest EuroDirect line. This is not just production, but a whole orchestration of high-tech machines. From the Devale Briche receiving hopper to the ultra-modern Holaris 3-screw trimmers. Rest assured, 4 calibrators will easily prepare onions on 5 different sizes, eliminating any possibility of error. And to finish the process on a high note, the telepackaging line and 2 mixed fillers will pack and send your onions anywhere. Such a line guarantees quality and satisfaction at every stage of production.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
On the livestock farm of Mounts Lazarom's Oxblock, life has become easier thanks to the magic of technology from Peter's Group with their fantastic Lazaroms X-Pecon series. These machines are not just equipment, they're like faithful friends, always ready to help and simplify routine tasks. The choice is wide, and every farmer will find something to their liking. Why waste time and effort when you can invest in a reliable iron helper and watch the work almost do itself? How about making the harvesting and transportation of apples something like science fiction? With the Kiston Transporter KT20, it's possible. Imagine, instead of tedious work in the garden, you just direct this powerful transporter to the trees, and voila! The apples are neatly collected and ready for transport. This miracle machine not only saves your time and effort, but also ensures the safety of each apple. So are you ready to speed up the harvest and make it easier than ever? If you're looking for a way to optimize vineyard care, the TRP Optimum from Pelink is your ideal choice. This innovative tool reduces the time needed for vine pruning by 90% thanks to its precision technology. The PL-TRP model is equipped with a pre-pruning function that allows processing vines twice as fast. Accurate and neat cuts are ensured every time, improving the health and productivity of your vineyard. Using modern automated systems, the TRP Optimum does the hard work for you, allowing you to focus on other aspects of winemaking. Friends, who told you that harvesting tulip bulbs can't be high-tech and efficient? Here's one company that turns that perception of agriculture upside down with the help of a Flemish tulip harvester. Equipped with a double grid, this wonder machine not only harvests but also expertly sieves tulip bulbs right in the sandy soils of Drenthe. This is not just harvesting, but a whole cleaning procedure where each bulb receives VIP treatment. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.